Welcome back to Constitutional, a video series on the Constitution of Sri Lanka by the Royal College Law Society and the Political Science Society of Royal College. In the previous video, we gave you a brief introduction to the Constitution. In this video, we'll be exploring the first and the second chapters of the Constitution of Sri Lanka. Let's start with Chapter 1, the people, the state, and the sovereignty. This chapter gives a comprehensive breakdown of how our island nation functions. While most of you might refer to our country as simply Sri Lanka or Ceylon, the official name given in the Constitution is the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. This might seem like a jumble of words, but it's actually quite straightforward. Democratic means Sri Lanka is governed by the will of the people, expressed through free and fair elections. Socialist reflects on our country's commitment to social justice, equality, and the role of the state in public welfare. Republic means government of the people, a form of government in which the supreme power is vested in the people and exercised directly by them or by their elected agents under a free electoral system. Now that you understand what our country's full name means, let's delve into the second article of this chapter. Sri Lanka is a unitary state. What does that mean? In a unitary state, all governing powers are centralized in the national government. Unlike federal countries like India or the USA, Sri Lanka does not divide power among states. This structure helps keep our nation unified under a single legal and political system. Next, we move on to a key concept in this chapter: sovereignty. You may have heard politicians or world leaders use this term. But what does it actually mean? The Constitution states, in the Republic of Sri Lanka, sovereignty is in the people and is inalienable. This means the ultimate source of power in the country is the people, not the president, not the parliament, not even the courts. The government does not rule over the people, but rather serves them, exercising powers entrusted by the people. Sovereignty includes the powers of the government, fundamental rights, and franchise. There are three main pillars in the powers of the government, and they are legislative power, executive power, and judicial power. Let's break down sovereignty into four main parts. Number 1, legislative power. The power to make laws lies with Parliament, which is elected by the people. This ensures that those who create laws are directly accountable to the citizens. Executive power. The President exercises the power to enforce laws passed by Parliament. The President is also elected by the people. Judicial power. The power to interpret laws and ensure justice is held by the courts, from the magistrates' courts to the Supreme Court. The duty is to uphold the Constitution and deliver justice fairly. Franchise, also known as voting rights. Every citizen over the age of 18 has the right to vote and take part in choosing leaders. This gives every Sri Lankan a voice in shaping the government. So, sovereignty is essential because it puts the power in the hands of the people and prevents authoritarian rule. Think of sovereignty like the relationship between the people and their government. The people are the ultimate authority. like the owners of a ship, and the government officials are the crew members tasked with navigating and managing it. If the crew fails to steer the ship properly, the owners have the right to replace them through democratic processes. The national flag, rich in symbolism, represents the Sinhala heritage, Tamil and Muslim minorities, and Buddhist values. The national anthem, Sri Lanka Mata, is a symbol of unity and national pride. Our national languages are Sinhala and Tamil, with English recognized as a link language. All three are widely used in official and day-to-day communication. Now that we covered Chapter 1, let's move on to Chapter 2, Buddhism, which reflects the spiritual identity of our island. Article 9 states, "The Republic of Sri Lanka shall give to Buddhism the foremost place." This recognizes the deep historical and cultural roots of Buddhism in our country. But what does foremost place really mean? It means that the government has a special responsibility to prioritize and protect Buddhism, especially in terms of cultural and historical preservation. Buddhism has shaped our values, laws, and traditions for over 2,000 years. The Constitution further states, "It shall be the duty of the state to protect and foster the Buddha Sasana." This includes safeguarding Buddhist temples, supporting the Sangha, or known as the monastic community, promoting Buddhist education, and preserving traditional practices. However, it's important to be clear. Sri Lanka is not a theocracy. While Buddhism is given special recognition, our constitution guarantees freedom of religion. Every citizen, whether Hindu, Muslim, Christian, or of any other faith, has the right to practice their religion peacefully under the protection of the law. This balance between prioritizing Buddhism and protecting religious freedom is a key part of Sri Lanka's constitutional identity. With that, we conclude the video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the first two chapters of the Constitution of Sri Lanka. Stay tuned for more informative videos as we continue to explore our nation's constitutional framework. Thank you.